Welcome to 3D Modeling Pro Tips. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a blend surface using a Grasshopper algorithm. As you might know, laying a blend surface in Rhinoceros is pretty easy. You just type blend surface, select the first edge, then the second edge. That part is straightforward, but that's not our goal today. We want to dive deeper and explore how to logically create this in Grasshopper using two surfaces as inputs. So, first things first, let's create two surface components. For the first surface, we'll set this one, and for the second, we'll set another surface. Now, we have our two surfaces ready in Grasshopper. Next, we need to extract the surface isocurve using the parameter surface isocurve component. Let's start with the first surface. We need to define where the isocurve is located. So let's connect it as it is. This gives us just one isocurve, but we want more than that. We also need to change the direction to the longer side. To get multiple isocurves in the long direction, we'll create a series. Starting from 0. With a step of 0.1. And a count of 11. This gives us a collection ranging from 0 to 1. Remember, 0 represents the first isocurve, and 1 represents the last one. Now, let's connect this. And we have our collection of isocurves running in the long direction. We'll do the same for the second surface. You can see we have similar isocurves for both surfaces. Next, let's divide those isocurves. Set the divide count to 10. And we also need to create a point list to check the order of the points. You'll notice this starts from there and goes to here. We'll do the same for the second surface, which starts from here and goes to 10. We need to switch the 0 here and the 10 to the other side. Essentially, we're just sorting the order from here to there. So, let's set it to reverse. Now, it goes from 10 back to 0, and so on. Let's merge the points together. Then create an interpolate component to connect them. Oh, wait, there's something off here. You can see it's twisted. So we need to reverse this list by adding reverse list component. Finally, we'll create a loft surface by adding the loft component and setting the interpolate output to flatten. Now, we have surface continuity. You can add a custom preview and color swatch. Hide the source surfaces in Rhino. And disable the preview for all unnecessary Grasshopper components. Look at that, we have a very smooth blend surface. Let's show the source surfaces again in Rhino. If we rotate the source surfaces, you'll see the blend result follows along. We can also change the interpolate degree here. Notice the difference in the blend result? If we set it to 1, it sharpens the blend. Feel free to define your own degree as needed. You can experiment with the continuity by changing this to 3. Great job! You've just finished creating an open surface blend. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. If you have any questions or opinions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.